Dexter 33 playing some more Michael Stories. It's been a while. Oh, frick. So, cover my Stories. Yeah. I'm gonna make a little stairway. Stop building class, guys. I know. But I like building. Screw it. I'm just gonna do a build. Alright, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, we're playing some more Star Wars. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get to the middle as soon as possible. I don't know when Oh. Oh. Oh! Who's the kid now? Oh. My god. Oh my god. Notifications, please. Oh my god. I don't want to waste all my arrows. I'm scared. Oh. Oh. What the frick? I'm not even... God. This game's so short, but it's so bad. I want to get more action-packed for you guys. It's so boring. I don't want a team. Ew. Oh my god, kid. You're gonna kill yourself. Oh god. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm lagging. Alright, this is how I'm gonna die. Alright, you're gonna waste all of it. What? My god. Just act like you're AFK. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, we're out of arrows. Crap. Oh my god. Oh! This is bad. Alright, kid. Whoa. I mean, arrows! Oh my god! Well, that's your Skywars video for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Peace.